If people's words disturb you easily, your mind is not weak, it's uncontrolled. One comment can ruin your mood. One opinion can steal your focus. And suddenly, your entire day feels heavy. You try to ignore it, but your mind keeps replaying it again and again. You start believing the problem is people, the place, the environment. But what if the real problem isn't them, but where your focus is placed? There's a story that explains this better than any advice. A young man once went to his mentor and said, "I want to leave this place. Everywhere I go, people disturb my peace. Everywhere I go, people drain my energy. They criticize me, they talk behind my back, they distract me from my growth." The mentor looked at him quietly and said, "Before you leave, do one thing for me." He handed him a small glass filled to the top with oil. "Walk through the busiest market in the city," the mentor said. "Come back without spilling even one drop." The young man thought it was strange, but he agreed. The market was loud, people shouting, arguments everywhere, noise, chaos, distractions. He walked slowly, eyes fixed on the glass. After hours, he returned. Not a single drop was spilled. The mentor asked him, "Tell me, did you hear people arguing?" "No." "Did you notice anyone insulting you?" "No." "Did you feel the chaos?" "No. I was focused on the glass." The mentor nodded. That's life. The world will always be noisy. People will always talk. Some will doubt you. Some will envy you. Some will try to pull you down. But when your focus is clear, their voices become background noise. You don't escape negativity by changing places. You escape it by changing focus. If you are unhappy where you stand, you will be unhappy wherever you run. Peace is not found in location. Peace is found in direction. Focus on your path, and the noise loses its power. That day, the young man didn't learn how to escape negativity. He learned something more powerful. The moment your focus has a direction, noise loses its power. Peace doesn't come from escaping people. It comes from choosing what deserves your attention. If this message made sense to you, you already know why you're here. Then subscribe, not for motivation, but for clarity.